Welcome back to my channel MCQ with Tuk Tuk. Our first question: which company developed the Mac OS operating system? The Mac OS was developed by which company? We know Windows was developed by Microsoft and Mac was developed by Apple. Our next question: which Excel function returns the smallest number in a range? That is the min function. Max will return you the largest number. Which shortcut key is used to print in Windows application? To print, you have to use Ctrl P. Ctrl P is used to print in MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, even in Notepad, and many more applications. Which device is used to convert digital signal to analog signal? Digital signal to analog signal, the device that is used is modem. The full form is modulator demulator. Our next question: which type of software is used to protect a computer from malware? To protect our computer from a malware, we have to use antivirus. What does IP in IP address stand for? IP stands for Internet Protocol. Our next question: which file extension is used for Excel's file in your version? That is .xlx and X. That is .xlsx. Which programming language is known for its use in web development and backend services? We have to use PHP for that. Which port is used for sending mails in SMTP? That is port number 25. Port number 25 is used for sending emails via SMTP. What does BIOS stand for? BIOS stands for Basic Input Output System. Which Microsoft Office application is used to create presentations? To create presentations, we have to use PowerPoint. MS Access is a database. MS Excel is a spreadsheet. MS Word is a word processor. So our right answer is PowerPoint. Our next question number 12. Which network device amplifies and retransmit signals? That is repeater. Repeater will retransmit signals. What does HTTP stand for? It stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Which type of storage is optical storage? That is our CD-ROM. Which key is used to open Task Manager in Windows directly? We have to press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete together. Question number 16. Which Excel function returns the number of empty cells in a range? Count returns number of numeric, count returns all non-blank, and to return only the blank, that is count blank. Question number 17. Which protocol is used for secure file transfer? For secure file transfer, we have to use SFTP. Question number 18. Which programming language is primarily used for creating iOS apps? The programming language is Swift. Which unit measures monitor resolution? Monitor resolutions can be measured using pixels. Question number 20. Which Windows utility helps free up space by deleting unnecessary files? That is disk cleanup. Which company developed the programming language Java? Java was developed by Sun Microsystems. Question number 22. Which type of malware demands payment to restore access to files? That is ransomware. Which Excel functions changes the text to uppercase? The upper function is used for that. Which shortcut key is used to select all items in Windows? To select all items in Windows, you have to press Ctrl plus A. Which type of memory is built into the CPU for quick access? That is the cache memory. Cache memory is present in the CPU for quick access. What is the full form of VPN? The full form of VPN is Virtual Private Network. Question number 27. Which device connects a computer to a telephone line for internet access? That is modem. Which Excel function removes extra space from text? That is the trim function. Question number 29. Which port is used for POP3 emails retrieval? The port is 110. Our last question. Question number 30. Which Windows feature allow you to manage startup program? That is Task Manager. That's all in the video today. Thank you for watching this video. See you all in the next video very soon. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends.